Today I am going to talk about the five elements. Five elements is a very old science. It removes all the diseases from the human body. What is the five elements basically? The five elements, the first element is the earth element, and it has a lot of diseases. It contains the 68 diseases. That is in Hindi name, there is a name of the Mooladhara Chakra. The second element is the water element. The Hindi name is about the Swadhisthana Chakra. Third element is the fire element, and in the Hindi name is the Nabhi Chakra. And the fourth element is the air element, that is the heart chakra. And the fifth element is the throat chakra, that is called the fifth element. You can use the five elements. Why we human beings are suffering nowadays in so many diseases? Suppose you have a diabetes, or suppose you have a heart trouble. I have seen so many the people suffer from the one time they operated in the heart trouble, but again it is recurring, and the asthma again recurring. If you do 20 minutes or 15 minutes daily cleans the chakras, you never recurring of the diseases in your life. So what you have to do to remove through the five elements, how you can remove every diseases and never recurring in your life. The first, you have to take the first bucket in the lukewarm water. So 2 tablespoons of salt, that is the sea salt and the Himalayan salt, 2 salt, mix it and put 2 tablespoons in the lukewarm water and sit 15 minutes in that water and repeat the 5 names of the 5 elements name. And when you are sitting the 15 minutes in the water, you dip in your feet in the salt water, and after 15 minutes you have to throw that water into the toilet. So firstly, what you have to do, when you dip your feet into the water, then you have to 21 times the Lam is the first element, earth chakra, that is the earth element. The name is the Lam 21 times, and then you come to the name is Lam. And second, water element, the name is the mantra is 21 times you have to repeat. Swadhisthana chakra, that is water element. Then you have to repeat 21 times Vam. And now you come to the fire elements, that is the third Manipur, that is called in Hindi Manipur chakra. Then you have to call 21 times Ram. And then you have to the fourth air elements, that is the heart chakras. Their mantra is you have to 21 times repeat is Yam. Then you have to come to the throat chakras, Vishuddhi chakra, that is called 5 element. That is called, then that mantras is you have to repeat 21 times Hum. Then you finish this, and then just pray that all my earth diseases has come into the water and my 5 chakras are cleaned already, it is cleaned. And then salt will take all the diseases through the 5 chakras into the water, and then that water you just rinse your feet and then after that you throw that water in the toilet. You daily do it for 15 minutes. If you do in the morning, that is more better than you clean. The second thing, when you go out through this process, nothing, the people can't see you, your aura will be very developed, and anything can happen, the bad eyes or anything cannot harm you. So this is the right method of 5 elements. This mostly I have seen this 5 element as a gone story. It is a vanish nowadays. That's why the reason that people suffer again and again through cough and diabetes and the surgeries, again and again surgeries. So it should not be. If you daily do these 5 elements, daily do into the salt water, and you take a 21 times name, and then you can remove daily, never recurring in your life any diseases. After that you can meditate on the third eye for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just watch on the breath, and you can more develop the things. And then whatever you want in your life, then you watch the breath while sitting over there, then you whatever you want in your life, you just ask, I had this thing, I had this thing, already I had this thing. So you will within a 21 days, 41 days, you will get that thing that I have already these things. I wanted the things I already have. I got it. So you will fulfill this all the things, and then you can remove all the diseases from your life.